Hey there! Are you tired of getting interrupted by calls and notifications at the worst possible moments on your iPhone? Don't worry, turning on Do Not Disturb can help you manage those distractions effectively. I'll show you how to enable or disable Do Not Disturb so you can enjoy some peace and quiet when you need it most. Solution 1. Enable Do Not Disturb from the control center. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen or swipe out from the bottom if you have an older model. To open the control center, look for the focus icon. Tap on it. Now tap on Do Not Disturb mode from the options available. You'll see a moon icon in the status bar, which means Do Not Disturb is turned on. Solution 2. Customize Do Not Disturb settings. Open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap on Focus. Then tap on Do Not Disturb. Customize the settings to match your preferences. You can even select individual apps or people to stop receiving notifications from. If you tap on people, you can add contacts who can bypass Do Not Disturb mode. If you tap on apps, you'll see a list of apps where you can choose to stop notifications after enabling Do Not Disturb. Solution 3. Schedule Do Not Disturb. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap on Focus. Next, tap on Do Not Disturb. Tap on Add Schedule or Automation. Set the time or location where you want Do Not Disturb to turn on automatically. Customize the settings to allow calls from specific contacts or repeated calls if needed. Most likely, these steps will solve your issue with unwanted interruptions. If you're still having trouble or need more help, just drop a comment below. I'm here to assist. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.